So I got this package. I sent this for this in Amazon and just got it. It is, I already opened it. It is strip lights. And the thing that's cool about this is it's like, I think it said 38 feet. So I will be able to do all along here, down all along here, underneath here, cabinets, or the top and the back, and then at least halfway here. So I'll show you when I get it all put up. And another good thing is it's USB, and I have USB back there I can plug it into. It's 5-volt USB. So yeah, the hard part is going to be sticking it on there, because it only comes with like these 6 adhesive stickers, and also maybe going around the corners, because I'll have to go around under here and over, and I'm not sure how well this bends. Anyway, and it came with this really cool remote, and I think it said it had like 64,000 different, not colors, but things it can do, combinations. So yeah, it's probably from China or something, but yeah, it says made in China. But it was only 20 bucks. So yeah, let's get it up. Okay, this makes me feel better. There is tape the whole length of this thing. It's not just those 6 tabs. These 6 tabs, I think, are just to help, you know, like if you do put it around a corner and help hold it in place. So yeah. So I got it up. It's got really good adhesive. I did the top. Actually, I started on the bottom, got it on the bottom, coming up over here, along the top, in the back, and then actually all the way up to here. And I didn't think it would go all the way. It's just 1 foot shy of going all the way, which is good. So I'll wait till it gets dark and then I'll shoot a video. Okay, it's raining out, but it's time for the big reveal. Oh yeah. Came out really nice. Have it underneath the cabinet, up around, and it even came with an app on my phone. Can do with music. Check this out. So there you go. Excuse the rain, but just had to show it. There's even a nighttime setting, so it's not so bright, but there's a lot of things this little remote can do, and that the app can do. All different kinds of settings, strobes, and things. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. More to come.